how to put the same song on multiple Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. In that case, what you have to do is you just have to make sure that the application is completely up to date. You could go to your Play Store, on the search box type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application needs to be updated, press it on and update the application. After that, go ahead and log into your Instagram account. When logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here what you have to do is next you just have to go to your story from the top right hand side corner. When you do that, it's going to display all of the images that's stored on your gallery. So from here you just have to go ahead and locate the image that you wish to add it. To add the same song on multiple Instagram story, you have to select the story all at once. So let's say this is the one, so I'm just gonna long press on it and then just go ahead and randomly select it all, and then you just tap the next button. You could go ahead and make changes, all that. Press the song icon from the top right. Now go ahead and add the music and the same song will be added or played on the multiple Instagram story. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.